Alright, hello everybody. Very quick update tonight. So, we've been gone all weekend, that's why I haven't seen any videos out this weekend, and then I was sick half the week this past week, so that's why we didn't have anything new come out. My little disease bags just keep on giving. I don't know, any of you guys have kids that are in school? They're always bringing something home, and you're always getting bit with it. So anyway, the point of tonight's video, look at that beauty right there. Come on, focus, 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 focus. You can do it. There we go. So this was sent to us by B&B Forge. He forged this out specifically for us, and he did a video on it, a decent video. But you know, I got a little bit of an issue with him. You know, this peckerwood starts by picking on my hammers that I use at the anvil. Just picking away. You know what I mean? Just pretty much call me sissy girl purse swinger. But that's okay. That's okay. We like them anyway. So he saw fit that we needed a real blacksmithing hammer. So it's a rounding hammer, and it is nice. He did a very good job. It's somewhere around the 2.5 to 3 pound range. Nice hammer. Feels good in the hand, and it swings well. So anyway, thank you very much, Robert. And I will post a link to his video and his channel down below in the description. Please check him out. Let's help push this guy over 1,000. He's not too far from it, but let's give him a push. It's so hard for these smaller channels once YouTube decided to demonetize anybody with under 1,000. It's awful hard to grow these things. I got lucky that a couple of bigger channels picked mine up early on, and they really helped push me over the edge, and all the timber framing videos that we did for so long really helped also. But a lot of these smaller guys, they don't have bigger channels doing that for them, so we try to help out when and where we can. And I'd like to see these guys get to where at least they can make a little bit off of the effort that they put into, because if you don't make videos, you're never going to really truly understand the amount of work that goes into them. So like I said, if you guys wouldn't mind, the regulars here, go check them out. If it's your cup of tea, subscribe. If not, well, you tried it out. That's all anybody can ask. But he did a nice job on that. Thank you very much for this. It is very much appreciated. And also, if you guys saw the saw that I started the video out with tonight, I did not buy that saw. That is another gift from a viewer, Mr. Gender Confused himself, Mike Hegdahl. Thank you very much, Mike, and you are right, that thing cuts like butter. That was 3-inch round bar that we cut, mild steel round bar that we cut with that, and it chewed through it like I was cutting a 2x4. Absolutely amazing, just amazing. So I can tell you that thing's going to come in extremely handy. I don't think I'm going to be using it to cut tool steel. You'll probably still see plenty of grinding videos of that, but we have plenty of mild steel that we will need to cut, and that is going to be super handy for the purpose. So, anyway, we are back from our weekend trip, and I'm home. I'm back in the forge, back in the barn, and we're just going to keep cracking. So, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get some tools out on the website ready for Christmas, doing the best we can. I'm screwing around with some tongs just to get back into the swing of forging a little bit. I started making some out of rebar, just was not happy with the way they were turning out. I'm sure I could salvage them, make something with them, but I can tell you square stock is so much easier. I should have made those square and then did my set downs and everything, but what we have now, that square stock, that will work out much, much better. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it's short, but just let you guys know we're still alive and everything is good. So, I will see you on the next one.